Unlike the previous iPhone, the iPhone SE 2 will have a design quite similar to the iPhone 8, meaning that this smartphone will no longer have a flat bezel, but will be more rounded. Simple but harmonious design, exquisite in every line, and aluminum and glass design brings durability, elegance. Apple's iPhone SE 2 has a tempered glass back, giving the phone a sleek look, as well as limiting scratches from light bumps. Despite having a 4.7-inch screen, the iPhone SE 2 is not too big, giving users a grip that fits comfortably. The red, silver and gray versions give you a variety of options to suit your style. The iPhone SE 2020 screen is 4.7 inches, and the toughened glass screen is durable. The screen has a resolution of 750 by 1334 pixels for clear display images. Using LED backlit IPS LCD technology, and a pixel density of 326p for a wider viewing angle, bright display colors, high contrast ratio of 1401, and less power consumption. With this advanced screen technology, you will enjoy great display space with realistic, vivid images. The iPhone SE 2020 is powered by the Apple A13 Bionic chip, the chip used in the latest iPhone 11 versions, delivering superior power and faster processing speed. A13 chip combined with 3GB RAM will help Apple iPhone SE 2 handle tasks quickly, use multitasking smoothly, stably, as well as use less power, save battery for smartphones. iPhone SE 2 has an internal memory divided into 3 versions, 64GB, 128GB and 256GB, which gives more storage capacity. You will easily choose the appropriate version. For iPhone 6 or iPhone 6 Plus users, the fact that Apple discontinued support for iOS 13 is disadvantaged because iOS 13 owns new interesting features. However, you will experience iOS 13 on a cheaper smartphone version, which is the iPhone SE 2. Owning an iPhone SE 2 will bring better experiences at its extremely reasonable price. Unlike the older iPhone using dual cameras or 3 cameras, iPhone SE 2 is only equipped with a single camera with a 12MP sensor, f1.8 aperture. Although only own a camera, but not so iPhone SE 2 cannot bring beautiful pictures. Supported professional photography features such as autofocus, face recognition, HDR, and Full HD 1080p video to help optimize the performance of the camera, bringing sharp photos, video clips, great, helping you save every memorable moment with iPhone SE 2. In addition, the iPhone SE 2 also features a front camera with a resolution of 7MP, f2.2 and the ability to automatically focus for you beautiful selfies and use high-quality video calls. Besides biometrics, SE 2020 is also equipped with water resistance at a depth of 1 meter within 30 minutes. iPhone SE 2020 has the same battery capacity as iPhone 8. The phone provides 13 hours of continuous video playback, 8 hours of streaming. Besides, SE 2020 is also equipped with 18 watts fast charging, which helps to charge 50% in 30 minutes. This SE 2020 phone also supports wireless charging. Genuine Apple iPhone SE 2 is the perfect upgrade of iPhone SE with superior features, performance, and a more sophisticated and luxurious design. Besides, the price of iPhone SE 2 is also cheaper than iPhone 11 or iPhone 10, so it will be suitable for more users.
Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you found it helpful, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the future. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.